Welcome, I'm from the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, you will need a SIM eject tool. This thing comes provided with the device somewhere in those booklets, you can find it in there. And once you have it, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located on the left side of the device, as you can see right over here. So from here, just push it in, the tray will pop out. And here you have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card. So place them accordingly. Now keep in mind nothing is really holding them in place, so if you flip the tray over, they will just fall out. And also make sure that they're laying flush on here before you put it back into the device. So from here, let's put it back and we should be done. Presented with the pin for the SIM card, and there it is. So let's pop that in, and you can see right here also there's the SD card. So both of them are working just fine. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.